Hello brothers, this is Enbon B Pro series. This cabinet size is 576 by 576 and the module size 288 by 288 and this pixel piece is p4.8. This one totally removable module, also magnetic module, also can be used screw. This can be used for screw if you want, and also you can use without screw. This is 100% magnetic module, front, back and rear maintenance. You can put like this, and this module can be used for part of this cabinet. This four part just remove this one and put another side and use this one, this side and here. So this one module can be used for part of cabinet, and this is totally universal module. And this is test button for signal, and also have the signal backup here. I will show you signal backup also from here. This one signal backup. When the original main primary backup will be not work, that time the signal backup will be work. So this is totally 100% user friendly and good and stable product for Indian market. So this is front side of this cabinet. You can see the brightness. The brightness is almost 5000 and totally 100% waterproof, IP65. You can use it as a outside, outdoor and also indoor. And we will provide you two type of RCFG file if you want to use it is indoor, and the adjust brightness and can be used both. So thank you and welcome to us.